running water. See the button handle? It looks brand new. I bet you before it didn't even have a...
Probably not.
Probably. That thing's dripping out water.
Yeah, it was earlier. It was going up the lift leaking like that. Actually a faster drip rate. Nice brakes.
The brake mechanism.
That spring at the end of it.
The tail closed. And they have to put air in it to make it open.
Welcome back, Screamer riders. We hope you enjoyed the ride. Please push down and pull up on the left bar and exit to the right. Thank you for riding and enjoy the rest of your stay here at Trader's Village.
We got the orange dabs of paint everywhere.
If you refuse to leave my exit,
Yeah, I'll go ride that one. Very traffic. I like this guy moving.
Welcome to the Prairie Screamer.
Ow. That hurt. We did that with vengeance.
It is in this spirit that the Screamer was born.
See the water dripping
I
out?
was just gonna say, I think that was coming off the coasters that flew by.
Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Keep your hands
I like just a little track slide to side, go straight.
Enjoy your ride.
Woo! Yay. Brake there. Maybe brake there. It looks like a forest fire spotting tower. That's weird. Jeez, look at the parking lot. This place is huge. Oh yeah! Lots of airplanes. Don't see anybody in the pattern. No control tower. Runway 36 got a 2-light Fazzy or Pappy. Meanwhile, there's a roller coaster. Hello. Yeah, this is taller.
Really high up.
This is bigger than like a Wildcat. Woo! Oh! Hello, little pop. Yeah, the lift wheel's just kind of in the middle. By a brake, but it was off. Oh, that was nice. Another brake that was off. Oh! Oh, that was. Oh! Oh! Alright, that was harsh. That was. Oh, there go my legs. All right. That was a little rough.
That was painful.
Yeah, right in the gut, my legs. Great. Yeah, none of the brakes were on, which is nice, but man, a couple of those turns were no transition, just bam. Crazy. Well, it was an experience. Prairie Screamer, grab fun by the horns.